Welcome everybody into this new video. Let's take a look how we can create a landing page using the Wix platform. This one is going to be helping us to create almost any kind of website, and there are free plans. If you do want to create something that's totally for free, I'm going to be leaving you a link down below in the description. If you don't have an account already created, you might be having a few rewards just by signing up. If you want to have a premium option, here are like a few, let's say, offers of Wix.com. Once we do have an account already created, what we do want to focus into is into our site. So when you are creating your first site, you're going to be seeing like the Wix is going to be asking what kind of content you want to create. If you already have an account, go into your site, which is actually here into my sites, and you want to choose the create new site. But once again, if you are just getting started, it's going to be appearing this section. So here, what kind of website are you creating? So I want to go for landing. So here I do have landing page. I'm going to hit landing page because I want to customize. I want to choose a specific landing page. So here we can choose, let's say, a landing page for the product, landing page for an application, for travel, for a property, for Bitcoin, even Bitcoin, I think, kids applications, finance book. So you can choose whatever option you want to. I want to focus into the product landing page because I think this is really general and it's going to be helping us a lot to all of us. So you hit into next, and then what's going to happen is here is what would you like to call your website. So this website, let's say I'm going to be choosing PokeShop. Hit into next. You just want to focus into only one project. Now it's going to be asking what would you like to add to your website, like what are the features, the tools, let's say like the columns that we want to see into our landing page. Now I can strongly suggest you guys like the easier the better. So I just want to create a chat support, the forms, and here I want to choose a video, for example. If you want to add more like events, booking, pricing plans, forum groups, you can add that. I just want to focus into these options. Like as you can see, those were the recommended. Once again, the easier the better. So hit into next, and then it's going to be saying start setting up your website. So we can begin with a template, or we can get a custom built website that was created from Wix actually, so we didn't have to do absolutely anything. So hit into custom build site if you want the application to do everything for you. I think this is going to be really easy and it's going to be really useful for starters, for people who are just getting started. So what I want to choose here is my email. I want to create an address, a phone number, and if I want to add a logo, I'm going to hit into show all files and I'm going to select the image that I want to. I'm going to hit into next, and here it's going to be asking us pick a theme you like to use. So here we go with 6 of them. If you want to choose a specific color that doesn't appear in here, you want to choose like the most basic one. So I think for myself, I'm going to choose the first one. We can change that later. You don't want to be worried about that. Hit into next, and it says preparing your homepage design. We are creating personalized for you. So pick your favorite homepage design. Whether you want to choose this option, this one, or this one. Now in my case, I think I just want to focus into the second one because I just want to focus into just one product, right? So I'm going to choose this option, hit into next, and easy peasy, our account, our page has been created automatically. Now this one has the option to add an FAQ. I think it's going to be really helpful to have an FAQ, so I'm going to hit into edit site, and now I do have access to the editor of the rendered website. So here I just need to add all my stuff here. It's really easy. As you can see, we do have everything successfully done. what I just need to do is to import all my stuff. If I clicked into one of them, let's say I don't want to see this, I don't want to see this, and of course I don't want to see this. So I just need to choose this column, add that in here, and the text like that. So I just want to sell. Lastly guys, this is like the most important part, the most interesting part, which is to manage your products, to manage all your items. If I choose manage products, I can choose any specific product that I just created. Now if we are just getting started, of course we wouldn't have anything in here into our products. So this is just for as an example. But let's say that I'm just creating one item at a time, so I'm going to be choosing this 3 options, go into more actions and hit into delete. I just want to focus into one of those. Now I'm going to hit into the X button. I'm going to be showing you something really easy to understand, which that would be the tools that we have. If I choose the add elements, I can add text, images, buttons, the strip, decorative, boxes, gallery, and so much more elements. So depending on the tool, depending on the brand or the website that you selected, you're going to be adding more and more content. If you are creating a landing page, I can strongly suggest you to add as much buttons as you can. So here into the button, what I want to choose is to choose the buttons, and I want to go for, let's say, icon buttons or document buttons or even iTunes buttons. So here I want to focus into the image buttons, the icon buttons, and I want to add, let's say, this one, and I can just use this, change the text and icon, what this is linked to. So here I want to choose what's the alt text, let's say contact or email us. So here I want to add a specific website. So where's the website address? Or let's say I want to choose email. What is the email address? So once someone clicks into this button, it's going to be appearing this email, and the subject automatically is going to be saying I need to ask you something, or whatever option you choose. Now what you can do after you've created something like this, remember that I want to focus into a specific landing page. So if I scroll a little bit up, I want to choose switch to mobile, and here is the way of how we're going to be looking as if we have a mobile section. Okay, I'm going to go into Let's Go. This is how it's going to be looking my website, like this. It's really easy to customize that. There we go. And if I want to, let's say for example that I just added the image that I just showed you guys, which is this one. Let's say that I want to create this as a button. So here I'm going to be leave it like this, choose the link, this is a web address, and here is my Instagram. Just input here your custom URL of your Instagram, hit into big title, and here I want to customize this for or let's say for example follow us. Do your own stuff, do import your all images, and if you don't have any idea of how you can create a landing page, or if you don't like the template, open a new tab into Google, look for landing page example, hit into your images, and you might be seeing a lot of options where you can get some inspiration, which it's actually really simple, guys. So there you have it, guys. Now you guys know how to use the main tools, the basic tools into Wix. If you have any questions, you can leave it down below in the comment section. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel if you want to see more information about the Wix editor and all that. So good luck with all your sites. I can tell you guys that it's not so hard as it looks. It's really easy. You just need to have a little bit of patience and all your brand images and designs in order to just drag those into your website and just give them some creative look, and you're good to go. So thank you once again for watching the video, guys, and I'll see you on the next one.